How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So exciting one today. As you can see by the title of the video, we have got carbon fibre delights. Yeah, we got the carbon fibre bonnet arrived. I've not seen it yet. I've literally just finished work and I'm going to go up the garage now, get it unboxed, check it's not damaged basically, because this came from AmeriCore from Cybon Carbon. So it's obviously had a big old journey all the way to Plymouth in the UK. So yeah, go check it's fine, check there's no bread damage. Not sure about fitting it today, but for you guys it won't make a difference, because if I ain't got time to fit it, or it's too busy at the garage, I'll do it another day and it'll just be in like 5 seconds for you, because this is video editing skills. But apologies for not uploading for a while. I have been to Greece on holiday and been working, so about back now anyway. So anyways, enough chit chat, let's get up the garage. We'll see you up there. Here he is. If you're new to the channel, hey guys, this is the state of the car at the minute. It is not finished, as you can see, but we are still waiting on front wings from the paint shop, front bumper, and obviously the bonnet we have around the other side. But with a quick catch up again, we have installed these red Braum seats. If you've not seen, go and check out the last video. The dashboard's in, and also the speedo. But yeah, there's got a bit more to do in the dash interior wise, but I'm going to leave the interior to literally last thing. But yeah, let's whack the bonnet on. Just obviously it won't look great because there's no wings, but just to cover the engine up as well for a bit. So much dust getting on it. I know you can wash dust off, but anyway, let's get on with it.
The feeling behind my eyes, you stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August, New York back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I flex to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Have a look at that. Cannot beat a lovely bit of carbon fibre. Brand spanking new. One thing I will be doing with this is ceramic coating it, because you notice whenever you see carbon fibre on cars, it always looks faded and stuff. I think you put some wax on it, but I'll link in the description where I got this bad boy anyway. I'll tell you one thing, they are not cheap, but definitely worth it. Obviously mine's only a Gtst R33, and the Gtsts, fun fact for you, come with steel bonnets, really heavy, but the GTRs are aluminium. So carbon fibre trumps both of them, plus looks 100 times better. But yeah, let's get it on the car. Get Alan, because he needs to help me, because I don't know, actually I'll probably have to pick this on my own, it's light as hell.
You and I flex to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Right guys, you have to use your imagination a little bit, but imagine it with blue front wings, a blue bumper. If you haven't seen the front bumper as well, where the indicator surrounds are for the GTR style bumper, I've got carbon fibre surrounds, the air duct things. You'll see it when the bumper's actually back from paint in 10,000 years time, but there's the bonnet anyway. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait for it to be all complete, you know, all panels on, spoiler, whatnot. I know some people like it when they match the bonnet with the paint the bonnets, but I like the carbon fibre look with the blue. I think it'll look mint. Happy days. Another thing ticked off of the list. Just can't wait for the rest of the panels now to come back from paint, and we're gonna have a car that's actually car shaped then. If you haven't seen any of the other videos for this car so far, guys, check it out. It's all in the it's all on my channel, all in the playlist. Here we go, look, with the seats. Here's the seats if you didn't see them. Braum. Big old brake kit. Got 6-pot calipers on there. Big brake upgrade. It's actually really good quality, this Cybon carbon bonnet. They can supply you with the bolts and washers and stuff that you need for fitting it. It's literally 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Definitely need another person to do it because you can damage stuff else. But yeah, it's coming along. Coming along. Hey guys, there you go. Nice little short video today. So not much, just the bonnet. Looks brilliant though, I must say. Next video will be Wednesday, I believe. Wednesday. Got loads more bits to do. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the bonnet and the car, the build so far. And I'll touch you next one, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your